Okay, so the question is asking us to use WinPlot to find the slope of the tangent of the curve y equals x squared plus 4x plus 2. Use the tangent slider to complete the following table. So I've set up a copy of the table here in my spreadsheet program here. So if we open up WinPlot and then go to Window, Two-Dimensional, let's put in an equation here. So explicit equation, the function that they give us is y equals x squared plus 4x plus 2. All right, and there is the graph of our equation right there. It's a parabola. Now, to do the slopes of the tangents, we want to go to the menu, which is labeled, what is it labeled here? Slider. There it is. So we go to the slider menu, we open it up, and we can see that it gives us our function in here, our x values, and our y value at a particular point. So if we move this slider, it slides this little crosshair around. The thing we want to do is we want to click on this box called tangents. And then if we move the slider around, it creates a tangent at the x value that, that we're currently at. And down here, it gives us the slope of the tangent down at the bottom here. So the first x value we want is -5. So if I go to, can I get to -5 here? Let's see if it'll take us. There we go, -5. It tells us the slope is -6. And then if I then go over to, let's put in -4 is our next one. It tells me, move this slider here to negative, let's just move the slider over here to -4 by clicking on those arrows. Okay, -4 tells me the slope is -4. If I move this over to -3, I get a slope of -2, and so on and so on. So if I put in, let's see if it works if I put in -2 there, it tells me the slope there is 0. And if I put in -1, it tells me down here that the slope is 2. Okay, if I put in 0, okay, and hit enter, it tells me at 0 the slope is 4. Okay, and now I can kind of see the pattern here. It's changing by 2 each time. So 2, 0, 2, 4. So it's going to go 6, 8, 10, 12, and then 14. I'm just going to double check this by putting in 5 here and make sure it gives me the correct slope. It says the slope there is 14. Yep. So what they want us to do from here is, okay, notice something about the pattern. The first differences of our slopes are all 2. Yep, +2. So that tells us that the graph of this is going to be a straight line. So then they want us to come up with an equation for this. So what we can do is I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger here. Let's put in a graph of this data. We don't want that kind of graph. We want a scatter plot. Suggested, that's fine. There we go, scatter plot, good. And then we can put in a trend line right there. It's going to be linear. There, it fills it right in. And let's label it with the equation. And there it is. It says that the equation there is 2x plus 4. So that's going to be the equation of our derivative function, 2x plus 4.